Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to like items on Temu. To like items on Temu, the first thing to do is to open up your Temu application and log into your account. Once you're logged into your Temu account, go ahead and pick a product from the home page, or you can also search for the category of the product at the top and find the product you'd like to like. Once you open up the preview for the product, scroll down and look for the product details option. Click on the save button right next to the product details where you can see a little heart icon. Once you tap on it, you will be able to like the item and also add it on your wish list. Liking the item helps you create a wish list and track products you love, so that is how you can easily like a product and also add it on your wish list on Temu. You can now go ahead and access your wish list by tapping on the U button at the bottom and going through the wish list tab right next to browsing history. Once you click on wish list, you will be able to see the product that you previously added or liked on Temu. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.